to make a good first impression on guests is to have something really delicious for them to nibble on when they arrive. We're going to make 4 different kinds of compound butter. The first kind of butter we're going to make is using fresh rosemary. Gather a bowl about this big, just a small bowl of fresh rosemary. If you don't have rosemary growing, you can use store-bought. If you're using fresh rosemary grown outside, you might want to wash it before you chop it up. Because I had to wet this rosemary to wash it, it's really important that it's dry. Paper towel is best. What you need next is a block of plain grocery store unsalted hard butter. I'm going to cut it in half and then start with a few smaller pieces because I think this might be the easiest, least messy way. This task will require some elbow grease. You've been warned. Once it's starting to get kind of mashed in, you're gonna also want salt. And the best kind of salt to use is this Malden salt, which is available at most grocery stores. It's sea salt, it's super flaky. I don't know if I've properly expressed to you just how labor intensive this butter is, but it's worth it, I promise. I am now making a surprise butter that I will reveal at the end in a taste test. So stick around. I'm actually making butter. The next kind of butter compound we're gonna make is with Marmite. It's a yeast extract from beer vats. It's extremely umami. It's really polarizing because it's a strong, funky flavor, but it's very popular here and I love it. Super salty though, so it's actually, I think, best when toned down with some butter. So we're gonna make a compound butter with Marmite and not need to add any extra salt because we've already got plenty in here. And this is a bit of a guess because that I'm gonna do a little bit and then taste test. The next type of compound butter we're gonna do is anchovies. You might be thinking that I'm using a lot of strong polarizing ingredients for these butters, but the truth is butter and the bread it's going to go with are really mild flavors, so we want something pungent that will pop. We are going to pull the fillets out into a mortar and pestle. We want to pound it and then grind it to a paste so it's kind of flaky like tuna. The last type of butter I'm gonna make is seaweed butter. I've got a sushi nori, which I think might work best. And now what do? We wait. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for, I present to you the taste test. This is Fiona. Nina, my lovely neighbor.
Hello.
Whose taste I implicitly trust, and also her honesty about whether these butters are any good or not. Go ahead and dive in. Which one do you want to try first?
I think I'll try the nuri.
Yes, try.
Yep.
That's my favorite.
So
you know, special seaweed butter.
For me, it's perfect. Yeah, gorgeous. I might have a bit more actually.
Yeah, have as much as you want.
Can I move on to?
Move on, yeah.
I'm going to try this is Marmite, correct?
I never tried it till I moved here. I feel like Americans don't know what it is.
Lovely. I'm really surprised. It's really good.
Is it?
I love the Marmite. I'm surprised.
This is anchovies.
I think anchovy butter, this sort of thing, they put it on steak sometimes.
Yeah.
That's what.
That might be the best use of this one.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Not bad.
We need to try and go to maybe Fortnum & Mason's to get Gentleman's Relish, because it's made with anchovies, and it's a very old-fashioned relish, and I literally love it. It's very salty and very pungent.
What's it called again?
Gentleman's Relish.
Gentleman's Relish. I love that. That's so cute.
So the next one is
Rosemary. Rosemary and sea salt.
Okie dokie. Absolutely fabulous.
That one did turn out really good. It's so herbaceous.
This is flour, herby,
It's
and it
floral.
literally complements everything. As you've gone past, everything has an individual taste.
I made these for this video, but I actually think it was a good idea.
I mean, they're fabulous. This is...
Okay, I want you to see, I made this one this morning.
It's fish.
It's fish.
I think it could be sardine,
Close.
salmon, tin salmon,
Closer. It's
pilchard.
no. It's a roe.
Oh, you've done like a cod's roe.
Yes.
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 Okay. Very much like this.
Oh, good. What else would be good?
Sun-dried tomato butter.
Ooh. Yes.
You make truffle butter, of course. You can make juniper butter. Fennel.
Oh my God, fennel.
Of the Japanese dried vegetables they have. There's an Arabic mix called za'atar.
Yes.
You can make a chili one as well of these, you know.
That's what I'm missing. I'm missing a spicy one. Salty, herbaceous, spicy.
So the spicy is what would absolutely finish this.
Oh my God, you're right. That would be like the full
Sun-dried
tour.
tomato and
Yes, for another herbaceous,
Yeah.
yes, and then chili.
I'm as happy as anything.
I'm so glad.
I didn't know what to expect.
I know.
It is
I
good,
know.
by the way.
Come taste some butter. And that is all, folks. If you enjoyed this, please let me know if you would like to see more hors d'oeuvre ideas. I've been thinking about whether I should make this a recurring thing. And if you've been enjoying these videos and you made it this far and haven't subscribed, it would mean so much to me and the cats. I need vegetables.